To draft my pocket pattern for my very dress. So basically the first step I do when I am drafting the pocket pattern is to actually trace out the side seam of the skirt where the pocket is going to be. I'm basically going to draw two straight lines to represent the skirt side seam and then the waist seam. So we need to draw a straight line and then another one at right angles here at the top. So coming from here, now as a rule I attach my skirt at 3 inches below the waist seam. So I'm going to measure 3 inches here. This is 3 inches. This 3 inches here has taken into consideration the ½ inch that will be used to join the skirt piece to the bodice. So from here, which is point A, I'm going to measure 6 inches, which is going to be the opening of the pocket bag itself. So that's 6 inches. Then after, the next point is to measure 3 inches. So I'm going to draw a straight line perpendicular to this first line along this way. So this is it. Then I need to know how wide my pocket piece is going to be. So whatever happens, by the time I'm putting my hand in my pocket, I need to be comfortable doing this. So just going by this, I can say I need at least 6 to 7 inches for my hand to be squarely in my pocket piece. So I'm going to measure 7 inches from here. So this is 7 inches, and another 7 inches here, and then I'll square that line. I'm going to join this. Okay, the next thing to do from this line here, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches. From here I'll do, let's see, 3 inches. Then this is going to be an inseam pocket, so to make the sewing here to be seamless, to be much easier, I'm going to put my 1 inch, because this basically is going to be the seam allowance that the pocket piece hangs out on it. So I'll take my curve ruler and then get my curve. Actually like my curve quite deep, as deep as I can get. Curve it like this. So I try to get the widest curve to accommodate my hand, and then curve this too. Connect these 2 points here. The next thing is for me to connect this. Now we must remember this is the place where I need the boom. I can actually freestyle it. So this pattern here ensures that you have as much coverage as possible. Then you might be thinking this looks big, but I've actually factored in the ½ inch sewing allowance all sides. So for the actual skirt piece, the opening you are going to get, this is 6 inches, right? But the opening you are going to get is going to be ½ inch here and ½ inch here. So leaving the actual pocket opening to be 5 inches, because this here is the skirt seam allowance, which is ½ inch. So when we come here and here, so at the end of the day my pocket opening is 5 inches, and when I'm done sewing, this is my sewing line. The next thing is to build this. Attach pockets are 3 inches below waist line, and then you cut 4 pieces, because for each pocket I'm going to need 2 pieces. Let's not forget my grain line, so I have to cut this straight grain line. When this is cut in a grain line, you're actually going to have your seam, the opening, very stable, and then by the time your hand enters, your hand is actually going to enter the pocket at an angle, which means that you are going to have a bit of stretch here to accommodate the hand. As my pocket piece, so for this is my paper seam.